Straight first to some news that's coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. An army jawan has been killed in an ongoing operation near the LOC in Lipa Valley of Kupwara district. Last evening, when an army convoy was patrolling the area near the LOC in Kupwara district of North Kashmir, they were fired upon by a group of militants, resulting in the death of one army jawan and also in the injury of one other. The army, in fact, has rushed additional troops right now to this area. A massive combing operation has been launched. It's believed that a group of militants may have infiltrated in this particular area. Well, Shuja ul Haq is joining us with the latest. Shuja, one Indian jawan has been martyred, another one injured. Get us the latest situation from the ground.
Well, that's right, Ruchika. That's the information that we are getting. In fact, this entire operation is happening at least 6 kilometers inside the Indian side, near the line of control in the Lipa Valley area. As you were pointing out earlier, this actually began yesterday when an army patrol was fired upon by unknown number of militants, and that's how this entire encounter began. Even right now, as we speak, the operation is on. We have been told that a lot of additional troops have been rushed to the spot. The fact that this is a very densely populated, densely forested and hilly area is something that is being taken into consideration. Equipment is being pumped into service. We are getting in reports that there could be a group of militants that has managed to infiltrate from the other side of line of control and are trying to get into the civilian areas of northern Kashmir, but have been intercepted before they could actually leave the forest area.
Right. Shuja, thanks very much for joining us with that update. An army jawan has been killed in Kupwara district near the LOC in firing from infiltrators. Additional troops of the Indian Army have been rushed to the spot. Thank you very much, Shuja. We'll of course get more updates from you as these combing operations come to an end.